You have not filed, court passed an order. What is wrong in it? When you're given an opportunity to file your statement of assets and liabilities, you should have filed. No stay.
Court has granted 10,000 Lord. And
What is the income of the husband according to you?
Lord, Lord, according to me, he is owning properties worth 200 crores. So 3 lakhs that had to be deposited by now, 1,90,000 is deposited.
Then
For the petitioner in this case. This petition is for modification of interim order. Reduce the interim maintenance. The Honorable Family Court has granted 16,000 per month to the respondents.
you're the husband.
Husband,
What is his income?
he is agriculturist. My lord. He is
What is the evidence before the court for granting 16,000?
based on some photographs and revenue documents produced by the
Get
respondent.
it. Let's look at the order.
The respondents have produced some photographs and revenue documents. The Honorable Trial Court come to the conclusion that the petitioner is earning rupees 70,000 per month, my lords.
From sugarcane,
He
sunflower and vegetables.
yes, my lord, he has no income from the agriculture, my lords. He out of his meager income,
The
he is
produced
providing
photograph
all
of
medical.
respondent's coconut garden,
Yes,
sunflower field and the RTC extracts. How much land you own?
since the properties are joint family properties, my lords,
Whatever it is.
uh,
How many acres?
I don't know idea, my lords. All the properties are joint family properties, my lords. There is no partition between the family
No,
members.
if it is not also, you should know what is. Have you not filed your statement of assets and liabilities
No, my lords. We will file
to the
it.
trial court?
Yes, we will
Why
file.
filed?
We will file it, my lords.
You have not filed, court passed an order. What is wrong in it? When you're given an opportunity to file your statement of assets and liabilities, you should have filed.
We will file it, my lord.
Then why should, it's not we will file. You should have filed.
Yes.
Why should this court interfere? No, this is not an exercise like one after the other. The trial court will spend some time. Again, high court will spend some time. No. And again, it will be remanded. Court's time is valuable.
Anyway, my lords,
And if
he-
you have taken, if you're not, whatever is the remedy available to you, or you have given an opportunity, if you have not taken it, we will not come to your rescue. No stay, notice to the respondents.
they have pressured the petitioner to.
We can't do anything. This code is very clear on that.
Kindly stay,
Notice to the
stay the
respondents,
option.
petition is, no stay. Petition is permitted to take out notice on the counsel appearing for the respondents and file a memo to the effect. Pose this matter.
Interim maintenance Lord of rupees 10,000 a month and 15,000 towards cost was awarded by the trial court. That has been.
You appeared for whom, husband or wife?
For the wife.
You want enhancement?
I have sought enhancement.
Hmm.
The
They have
husband has
questioned
sought-
that order.
Questioned the order.
How much is, how much you have sought as maintenance?
Lord, I have sought Lord 60,000 per month.
Court had granted?
Court has granted 10,000 Lord.
Hmm.
And
What is the income of the husband according to you?
Lord, according to me, he is owning properties worth 200 crores along with other businesses.
Your Lordships, if
What
I
is
may-
the, both of you file your statement of
No,
assets?
my lord, this is pre the statement assets and liabilities regime. We will go, my lord, and file statement before the trial court. But my lord, the only issue is this honorable court, my lord, stayed the order subject to deposit of 5,000 rupees before the registry.
That is
they
also
have-
not done.
That they have not deposited and they have not paid 15,000 cost of litigation also, which this court directed.
Your
to
Lordships,
pay.
we have been making the payments before the registry, Your Lordships. If I may be allowed to seek a consolidated memo on
I
the.
have, my lord,
Because I have.
judicial deposit, I mean the page pertaining to judicial deposit that is uploaded online. May I pass on?
Take that.
This shows, my lord, that out of 3 lakhs that had to be deposited by now, 1,90,000 is deposited.
Then we will dismiss your writ petition.
Please, Your Lordship, the matter was referred to mediation, Your Lordship.
Whatever it is, there is an order of the court which you are enjoying from when? 2020.
2020.
If I may be allowed, permitted to seek instructions, Your Lordship, any day tomorrow.
We'll post it tomorrow. Tell your client by tomorrow, by the time the matter comes, if that amount what is ordered by the court is not deposited, first your writ petition will be dismissed. Tell him that. This court has directed the husband to deposit an amount of rupees 5,000 by way of an interim order. On that condition, stay is granted and counsel the respondent submits that. So far, they deposited 1.5 lakh.
1,90,000.
19 or 90?
990.
1,90,000. Pose this matter tomorrow as a land counsel for the husband wants to get instructions. By tomorrow, if the amount is not deposited, then the stay granted by this court will be vacated and the writ petition shall be dismissed on that ground. Yes.
Great.
Six